This is what the NDC is doing. It is what the young people are seeing. Eh? All these things. In the history of Ashanti and Ghana, for a very long time, young people, through the effort of the Ashanti regional minister, young minister, Makacha Ashantifo said, in the next 15, 16 years, more presidential candidate, Amwako Hene, more than what be the president. The first time Ashantifo enye obi a mobetuma bole chidom se onimu nyansa obuadia onime djuma mobedi ne chino mumubi mujimi obi de sampan apetehia born wo se otwen MPP for tia santimemu na ebi mujimi and the monhwe Ashantifo nkwara omo secondary school senior high school the way the regional minister is putting their talent to work. See, this is raw talent. Where you are Santimai, all the interchanges in a project NDC yeah Sebio MPP nyebu Asantimemuno Asantifon Kwara almost senior high school through the effort of the Ashanti regional minister Amwako Hene. And they are basically changing the city. They are making Asantimai beautiful. Where when I attract tourists through, Sanyuma we nema abrofo ba krom because ende abrofo 30 ewura Ghana nipa ba ko pe e de baba santimemu ono so ba menhia nko na obehwa konwa owia na oda ne hokọ. We need to do more things to introduce the world, introduce Ashanti region to the world, and the Ashanti regional minister is doing wonderful. He's bringing everybody on board, and this is kwasiana na odidin tafo atem no Simon Osewusu nenum se kokuo nenum tan tete no ne ekowa ye pe krama de ne die chi a obi just Simon Owusu or say Wusu na ne de ne di enim sa kraman. This is the Ashanti region, and this is some of the beautiful works the Ashanti regional minister is doing. Now umpe we upekaya motium. Umpe we where young people, where school for SS for the AshantiFest, today a young regional minister is putting Ashanti on the bill or the Ashanti region air toward map and the Udu Ashanti memo where all because this is the same thing a contractor a year the amwakwata the man wafa say jankruma egi $23 million could die and the school for a year and they are doing it even nicer. Jankruma drug editor Stella Krasini ba odi certificate amwakwata tam $23 million ma jankruma se onfanko draw a year kanda overhead ase we eya santimemu we enye Dubai we enye Portugal where you are Santimemua, Ashanti regional minister, I gather young visual artists, young students, all give you the opportunity. Do opportunity from this. This is all in the Ashanti region. And Amwako Hene is doing marvelously well. This is beautiful. In pictures, the Wabwa Asantimai, Ama Asantimai Efe. This is beautiful. Young girls, young boys. All because Ashanti regional minister Unimnansa. Uyi MPP for 14,000. Omunyina adwene ento Amwako Hene. MPP for Jimmy. Yen yanama santi for the Jimmy. Namudi the MPP echi. Share their young man way a year. Share their all turning young lives into better, molding them, giving them responsibilities, making them understand they can own their own city. They can change the city. At a point in Ghana, people underestimated and never respected a visual art student. And you see, today, people are marveled. And even when it comes to free SHS, Amwako Hene is uplifting, giving the visual art student some kind of class. This is raw talent. And if we are able to nurture these young people, we are able to give them confidence, we are able to resource them in the future, what is going to happen is we are basically creating entrepreneurs even in senior high schools. And this is not just on the wall. They can transfer this onto the computer, and then they do the artwork on the computer. They become self-reliant. Then job creation, indirectly, you are catching them young. You are creating opportunities. You are giving them some awareness. Today, some of them are beginning to believe in themselves. Are beginning to say, through the minister, no, hey, this is what you do. You started from the base. Into young students of Ashanti region, in Kwarani, or some Tiasia, Moamubedi 18 during 2028 elections, John second term, no Moko Twaba, Montuma NDC, Moma NDC in Twaso, and the free SHS, complaining about Adriane, and the Adriane was Kunya, Abruso. And the Untisa Krebekodi, a young Krama Adriane, this is a government, Enya Butra, ACC minor, Echitre minor, Eshisha minor. And that is what we preach every time. We just need a government that is reasonable. And this government led by John Mahama is a reasonable government. They are looking at reasonable things and making Ghanaians comfortable. That's all. Say, we are not going to have a perfect government. But John Mahama and this will actually say, they are willing. When the willingness is there, we the citizenry will do our part by meeting the government halfway. And that is what every country are developing here. The willingness is there. The government is ready to work. The president is intelligent and committed to his job. His ministers are committed. All that we need to do is to support consistency. Say, to me, Ghana say for the next 41 years, which I know is going to happen. We will get to a point that Obi, young person, be baby school, and the on time. Ayane bag is Ojania ko Libya, Ojania ko Saudi Arabia, Ojania ko Qatar, Ojania. No, people will be comfortable. Then the government, by that time, it may create opportunities for the young people. And to let us not see, Mr. Mwakohine, the Ashanti Regional Minister, whatever help you need. Adebia being here from here, America, to resource these students. If it's going to be a yearly competition, count me in. We have about some $20,000 sitting somewhere. We can pump it into it, and we will have a yearly inter-schools artwork. And then the winner, no, equipment. We will give them what they need. It is not difficult, Mr. Mwakohine. So you can partner with the Loud Silence Foundation. We are ready. The Ashanti Regional Art Festival. Bring the young people from the various senior high schools. We are willing to put better prizes on it for them to come and showcase their talent. Bantama Street. They will come and display their artwork. We will see raw artwork being displayed. For a whole week, we can do it. And then that is how you get international schools from other countries joining the competition. So you can come to the US, you can go to the UK, South America. You can invite some schools to also bring some of their students to also do their artworks the same week in Amoye, the Ashanti or the Ghana Artwork Show. These are things you can do. And I support this initiative. I am 100% in support. If Mr. Mwakohine wants to continue this and make it a yearly event, big event that we can even do at the Kumasi Sports Stadium, why not? He will come along, he will sit there, he will watch raw art, raw talent being exhibited at the Kumasi Sports Stadium. So, Mr. Mwakohine, I'll give you a call, and then we will talk about making this bigger. We will talk about creating opportunities for these young people. Because MP before in the next 16, 20 years, no, the only presidential candidate Mwakohine, I'll be the president. Me an American man, I'm going. Now, all right, another story, and it's Yema Refi. And Musa Dankwa edi another research bi awakoye ehun eye nsem aba. Na research no efade ehun efa eye 50% of Gen Zs are NDC and 20% are NPP. Musa Dankwa ono ena sebio oye researcher na eba elections mu yakoye eye de yakoye research yakọ 1990 Ghana atoto nkofo ano ye the science abake no ena sebio ye de eye empire kakra so atare chiri no sebio eba Ghana dia eba pollsters enye pollster ote akonwum oye obi a he's on the ground every single day oye adwuma, and his credibility is there. The numbers are there, the data is showing. Say in Ghana so far he is the finest pollster in Ghana. Ode eye ananum sem anano asembi abetudwa na ose de ose Wachini Ghana hanyina na de wahu ni say omoye eye research no e de omoni to form ebusabusa nipa imbebu no Ghana omano asem no oma behu say oba Ghana oha enchichemu eduonu eye 50 eduonum 50% no oha enchichemu eduonum 50% no imbebu no mo Ghana omunyina support NDC any adwene a etare chiri any sebio party no fama any de omoye any sebio nyansa omowa omode chichire Ghana ose oba Ghana haso a eba eye oyi oha enchichemu eduonu 20% a omo ena omo support MPP enti wo check ya sende uye mebunu na se unhu de ekona ende Musa Dankwa achirechirim ose wakọ Ghana ha nyina na mebunu nani abie omo ni ti sebi omo si omo parking kan omo busansam omo de MPP ni NDC ato nsani ani omo we parties ni bienu na Ghana mebunu dodo no enyina support NDC and they are ready and willing to support the NDC for the next 42 years and momianko tie Musa Dankwa no asema otena TV so ekyerechire nsem ni mu.
Now let's look at there will be some really frightening numbers here to watch. In Hafu, Hafu used to be MPP region.
Yes.
Now NDC is dominant, 45% NDC and 23% MPP in Hafu. These are one of the Akan blocks. In the Ashanti region, that is where if you are an MPP this morning, I think the alarm bell should be ringing to you. MPP is 34% in the Ashanti region, unprecedented in our polling history. NDC is 30%. NPP lead NDC by 4 points in the Ashanti region. 23% of Ashanti region voters now say they are floating voters. Currently, if you look at where people who say they are floating voters are in the country, Ashanti region contributes the highest number of people or people who say they are now floating voters. It used to be Central region, no longer Central region. Now it's in the Ashanti region. That must be alarming. You look at the Bono region, Akan region, NDC is 50%, MPP 22%. Bono East, NDC 46%, MPP 23%. In the Central region, which used to be a big floating voters, look at it now. NDC is 57%, MPP 19%. Only 10% today are floating voters in the Central region. Only 10%. There's a big shift. In the Eastern region, another big problem for MPP. 41% of people in their former stronghold or their stronghold say they are now NDC. This has been consistent in the last 2 or so polls in the Eastern region. Only 29% of them are saying they are now MPP. 16% are floating voters. Greater Accra, NDC is 53%, MPP 28%, 13% floating voters. Let's pick Northeast. Northeast, NDC is 36% today, MPP 21%, Northeast region. So if you look at the regions MPP won in the last election, they have now become minority except Ashanti region.
Hey, Northeast region.
Yes, 36% today, MPP 21%, Northeast region. So if you look at the 13% floating voters, let's pick Northeast. Northeast, NDC is 36% today, MPP 21%, Northeast region. So if you look at the regions MPP won in the last election, they have now become minority except Ashanti region.
Hey, Northeast region.
Yes.
NDC 36%, MPP 21%.
Yeah.
But
and 21 say they are floating voters.
Wow. But that's where the MPP's flag bearer comes from.
Yes.
That's Dr. Mahmoud Bamia. And yet they've dropped in numbers.
In terms of party affiliation.
In terms of party affiliation.
It doesn't necessarily mean that they will all vote for NDC.
That's true.
But it is the beginning of a problem because people tend to be partisan.
It is the beginning of a distraction, implosion. When you are there for any implosion, more PZ, more Swami, more a year, a contombra, you can say implosion. Or because this is the beginning of the end. What you say? Just say, Atemudano, edu, but a jinajina kofo yem. Now, bro, friend, I'm going ebi obi say Kevin the way there Musa Dankwa dey na okaka brofu we dey infantin kremo say asantin kremo ada na okaka brofo sa ma me dwudwom nya abotre de na Musa Dankwa ka nyina ne say o ma research wo na Ghana ha nyina in fact o say wo ba Ghana ha nyina o pe bebi a eye mmebunu no Ghana mmebunu sebio o mu nyina agi atum say unim bibi MPP party fun na sebio sesia de o ma fo mo adwene o mo pese o mu nyina kodi NDC chi no regions nyina de and shada hardwin because dodo ni nyina no ye nyina enim say Ghana na dane central region and affairs na adwin say hode de imbebunu no ubi so obi MPP ni ane and the udruwa central region adane imbebunu dodo an say dabi MPP enkwasiafo ajantrafo party omo shada ndwene Ghana ho na baby na nani wo ho pa ne Ashanti region any northeast region. The reason why internet make us say yemma ya adwene embra Ashanti region any northeast and say Ashanti region no ene na part ne fruma MPP fo fruma inti na adwene be wo say imbebunu dodo na omo Ashanti memu no ana Ashanti region de omo nyina ebedi omo nananu mechi ombedi akue chechi ombedi omahemfo chi aka say ye Ashanti fomba inti ye de ye MPP fo. Now, Osha region be it is a northeast region. Eho ena Mahmoud Baumia on a Samre. Eye Mahmudu, eho no free. The Chrome no. Inti oba expect to say Sebi Omebu no mo Mahmudu Chrome. Eye Mamprusi area ho northeast wono. Komu nyina beka so oh. We de ye nua tani. Ye de ye nua we de ono so enkremoni. Ye nyina ye bedi de chi Mebu no. Na Musa dankwa se oye ne hwehwe mu a okọ ho. Eko busa nkofo toto nkofo ano no. De si ye nie. Uba santimemu a sebio eye party ne fruma the stronghold of the NPP now. What he saw or basically they came up with after the research and they say NPP mebunu a omudi MPP chia and they to about beto ama MPP no omoye ohanchi chemu eduasa eye eduasa 9 eye 34% pe imbebunu no say oh ye de MPP for Ashanti region wa no we ohaji chemu eduasa 30% a imbebunu ni so mo NDC for omagiatum omagipene omode omofansie sebio asem na ye kan ebia wonte ase ende wonam asantememu na wo hia imbebunu du emu miensa ene sebio tietia baako ene beka che so oh ye de ye MPP for ena wo sa hia imbebunu du a emu be miensa enso beka che se omo ye NDC for na eno na Musa dankwa se dabi de ekono ama MPP no paigu omuyem ayese abom dua implosion ayese party no paigu omuyem na oba santimemu so a omkoya research do mu ye say uyi oha nchichemu eduonu miensa eye 23% a omo de omo so omo nchire bebi omo so obi ka je se bi nchire bebi owo a na yese oni MPP no also te ase we Ashanti region it's either you are for or you are against uni MPP a uni MPP esanete but ende ohanchi chemu eduonu baako to miensa 23% imebu no mo asantimemu no omo de omo so omo floating voters omo de omo betime decide so beto ama NDC ende ana MPP ochina eye den na woto ma mi fie ana papa fie na yebusa se efie ne papa dia wo ka se ene dia wontumi ma answer na se opeso kire se papa ye kromfo de dan na nya ne dia because a dan na wutim se papa dia na yebusa se dan wo your papa dia wo ka se ane me papa dia ma yebusa se dan papa dia wo se me dia mentumi ma answer then you are not sure say your papa dia na so your papa dia meaning who some about 70% idea be so papa ye kromfo a dan na nya ne dia now enye honko a osem your research ni kopie eye northeast e ho na ba omia free na asam no etwa ne sunum bronika se cutting stomach osi de etwa ne sunum ne se omuduru eye northeast a ho na eye Mahamudu free no omuyi mbebunu no oha enchichemu eye eduasansia eye 36% no omunyina so omuye NDC fo oha enchichemu eduasansia eye 36% omunyina ka se omuye NDC fo ena Mahmoud ba omiankasa krom ni krom bebi asebio ye wo na yetwa ne bema me ye wo me ne bebi mi krom ne twa me bema ni krom eye northeast ba omia yetwa ne bema wo ho no papa wanza mu twa ne bema no MPP mebu no mo ho no na mo ye 21% pe oha nchichemu eduonu baako omo ye omo research no eye mebu no emu oha mo eduonu baako pe ena se omo de omo ye MPP fo uhwema nipa dodo a omo ho mebu be ye oha nchichemu eduonu baako so ese omo de omo nka efiri se omo tim no omo mpe ba omia na ebi omo mpeso mbeka na ebia mampurusi ni bia koku omo enti omo de omo so omo nka enti sa wo cheke Musa dan kwansem na o cheche mu na je se MPP na nkasa na egu AGU Association of Government Criminals egu enti sa wo tie sansem se na we Ghana na we mebunu na we university we any tertiary institution na wa adwene wo say MPP is a political party a ubedi akira o ya test corner na wagimi because sebio imbeburu no mo enyini sisia na mo Ghana no they are now beginning to understand governance they are beginning to understand, say, you always need to choose development over your party affiliation, development over your tribe affiliation, development over your religious affiliation. Inti Mebruno, they are reading, they are beginning to ask questions. MPP need that who say Mebruno ne Jimmy Tisa Bro Nyankwara Brim. Omuji say Mebruno ne Jimmy say ma wuntumi. Omuji say Mebruno ne Jimmy say sampine. Omuji say Mebruno da who Jimmy et say MPP for inti they still don't understand the young Ghanaian, the changes they are going through. Anytime catch will say what we are experiencing in Ghana today, our John Mahama governance, this is basic governance. The reason why I say basic governance and say Akufo na wabodam na ba omia wabonwa anka we should not even sit here discussing adentina enne tomatoes in Ghana. And John Mahama ama governance no abe basic to the extent say a young man can stay home and understand how governance works. They now understand say obi a president was say okasa in clarity. Odi nkomo kire was say tenase. Say aban no take decision bia was say odi ye ka ho. And the Ghanaians are not tensed around the government. Aban where the Ghana for aka omo decision making home. The young people of this country, whether on social media or those not on social media, they are beginning to see say there's this sense of involvement. They are seeing some government and abaya aba paving away or carving a way for them to be able to also realize their dreams. In 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, Meka MPP for say the NDC will take Ashanti region and that is where they will win the elections. They thought to say, oh, where the Kevin Taylor or time MPP, Kevin Taylor there on Akufo Addo. I was telling you people the truth. And Ferre Crampo said, MPP ni. Just take your time and analyze. The Ben out say a young person is bold and proud enough to stand on any stage to say, I am an NPP. Because they are now beginning to see, say the NPP associate you, we associate you with tribalism, you associate you with corruption, they associate you with people who don't respect the rule of law, they associate you with people who basically always and every day support criminality. A lot of people are running away. And there you say, partner esiwano emu mpenifo na Jimmy Chan Kwarano MPP omusa omo Jimmy omunya no mabodam it is all steady MPP for pa hwafe nyoma ken osanu we Jimmy onyine also abodam o hwe omo character bi nyoma bi a omo ka ende omo reaction to some things utu busa ho say na panyini wo party nim at the same time alankojo chamante ewo MPP yakoto aba na opese o flag bearer edu won na mkacha alanchamante say wo nya asantini ba oye have mixed race, we mixed tribe. At a point during the elections, you pay Alankojo Chamantin, the representative Bakweni, MPP, National Executive Council Akufo Kahun, Michael K. Kahun. Nobody made a statement on that matter. Ever seen there, Abrante in your pie. During the MPP era, Akufo 8 years on the Baumia, you bonipa to during elections. Penny be any party mokaye. Yatina Kroma, Emma almost acquire also West Wagon, Echo Bo Nipatu. So you could see, say, majority of the people are beginning to see, say, party name Korane Jimmy, any penny for Jimmy. The young people come in, they are analyzing, they are asking questions. And do no more santimemono. Omo will say, Sebio, encranfone from Munkrasefo. Sebio, Omoban Kraya, Nomo Muhuno, and Elbino Muno Kumase. And in Bebruno more santimemono, Omucho mani was santimemoa. Omo will say, Adibia was santimemwa sebio sumubia na NDC na dubai. So now they feel more comfortable. They want to associate. They want people to know so munjimi ye. Inti onim the idea ya we asin say obi beka say oye bajimi fo. Now yen nyira enim say tetefo na omoba yansa na eba no. Nyoma bi omo ye no ena ntira na friend bajimi bre. And obi eni wo pese ya associating with bajimi. It is a study Asantimemu Mbebunu no, majority of them are disassociating themselves from the MPP because on person be so ukrasini. On person be say where do you bajimi for? On person be say media menimbiye. So now they are all linking or gearing towards the NDC because they know say if they associate with the NDC, one, they are going to get what they want because the NDC na dey airport ba Asantimemu. Two, their mothers are going to get jobs. The Kumasi economy is going to open. The Ashanti region is still going to be the hub. When it comes to trade, we are hitting at NDC, ABC, KJTR market. They know say their health will also be intact. Sewia will be finished. Kumewu will be finished. after it will be finished. They believe, say, NDC ba swamena omasha omobono, they are going to complete it. So the young people now want development. And now almost any say, almost the MPP in Krantia no doso. All that the MPP does is gele, t-shirt, any more olonka. See, this research should not shock anybody. Now, or see, or yeah, the whole Ghana, we say 50%. Ghana, uchem or ha ejichemu edionu. 50% in Mebruni in Atari MDC. Almost say ende ya tuaba, omunyina betuama NDC. If you say NDC for the dimpunti obafi, NDC for any book Ghana for a ba or my chichiria, NDC for any word gain, foresight, omnu say yebe here we in the never boy or china. Now, I see the whole Ghana no. Oya calculation na oya research now check here. Uni say emu oha enchichemu edionu 20% pe imbebunu ene support MPP. No mu kura no dodo di egu nwurem. Musa dan kwaya research no 20% imbebunu na mu support MPP no. Or say omo a ohye omo ebuso omo questions no mu nyina gu nwurem. It do say technically 20% of youth that think like animals are part of the MPP. Wega. Ready, I go on. Ready, we tino. Be charge ba. Musa Dankwa say, even 20% now, no mudin come so my MPP no. Do no gurem. Wan shede hu papa bia no wo krom a omani atia no munim de ekọ into or study ade na I say MPP no. Omo fanya we be serious. Na I say Jimmy ne da doso part no egu. Into Oshia young in Kokuo. Unu ade afeni young in Kokuo. MPP ni a oye young we Jimmy Ustandi afeni young in Kokuo. They young piglets. Ohun say dodo no kran poni nim de na omo ka. Enti ende no say NDC for MPP for person betia. These are realities. These are facts. You see, it's not about the insult and trying to align with Musa Dankwa or trying to say Musa Dankwa NDC ni. Musa Dankwa to move for 2023, 2024. And na okachem so mube lose abano. Motina Ghana ha nyina didi umatem. Eke kan kwa sasam chire no. And wafato no so akwa research abeka chire mo a. Mo dia mo fa no serious. No fa mo Jimmy ntina o se tapoli. And we mebunu now person join NDC. Just pick a phone, call a committee chairman, call a chairman. You'll be part of the NDC, the great NDC. And it is not just joining the NDC. It is what the NDC has done. It is what the NDC is doing. It is what the young people are seeing. Eh?
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Akufo, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,